Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're exploring the benefits of growing russet potatoes in raised beds. We'll discuss the advantages and demonstrate planting and hilling techniques specific to raised beds. Let's get started. Raised bed gardening offers several advantages for growing potatoes. First, better soil quality control. You can add nutrient-rich, well-draining soil mixes. Second, easier pest management. It's easier to manage pests and reduce soil-borne diseases. Third, improved drainage. Raised beds provide better drainage, preventing waterlogged soil. And lastly, ease of access. Raised beds are easier on your back and knees. Here's how to prepare your raised bed. First, choose the right location. Select a sunny spot with 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Next, fill with soil. Use a mix of compost, peat moss, and perlite. And finally, ensure depth. Make sure your raised bed is at least 12 inches deep. Here's how to plant your russet potatoes. First, space the seed potatoes about 12 inches apart. Next, dig holes about 4 inches deep and place the seed potatoes with the eyes facing up. Finally, cover the seed potatoes with soil. Hilling is essential. Start with the first hill when plants are 6 to 8 inches tall, mounding soil around the base. Continue to add soil every few weeks as the plants grow. Proper watering and maintenance are key. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged and check the moisture level regularly. Also, make sure to regularly check for pests and diseases. Growing russet potatoes in raised beds offers numerous benefits. Follow these steps for successful planting and hilling, and enjoy a bountiful harvest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!